let's look at an application of a double inequality. Your new freezer has a recommendation that it be kept at a temperature lower than negative 15 degrees Celsius and higher than 23 degrees Celsius. You want to know what that is in Fahrenheit. The formula C equals 5F minus 160 over 9 gives the relationship between Fahrenheit and Celsius temperatures. Write a compound inequality for the temperature recommendation for the freezer and then convert the relationship to Fahrenheit. So first off, what they said here in terms of the recommendation is that it should be kept lower than 15 degrees Celsius and higher than 23 degrees Celsius. So there's an and statement there. We want to be lower, so I should say I was going to use X, but we could use Celsius, C for Celsius. Celsius needs to be lower than negative 15 and higher than negative 23. Okay, now this is an and statement, and what we could do is put this into a double inequality, because this is giving me a high value and this is giving me a low value. So negative 23 is less than C. Notice I've still got the symbols facing just the same way as I had in this statement. The C has the mouth opening to it, the negative 23 not so much because C is bigger than negative 23. And then C is less than negative 15. So an intersection can be rewritten as a double inequality if the intersection relates to the same thing, in this case Celsius. Now we can take this at this point, and if we want to convert to Fahrenheit, we can plug in the formula for C, 5F minus 160 over 9, and then solve for F, so you'd get the low value and the high value for the Fahrenheit. All right, so to solve this, we'd first multiply both sides by 9, or I should say all three sides by 9. So negative 23 times 9 is negative 207. Is less than 5F minus 160, because the 9 just gets canceled in the middle, is less than, now negative 15 times 9 is negative 135. Now add 160 to both sides, we get negative 47 is less than 5F is less than 25 by adding 160 to all three sides, and then divide by 5 rather. So negative 47 divided by 5 is negative 9.4, and 25 divided by 5 is 5. So what we learned is that the recommendation on the freezer is that you keep its temperature between negative 9.4 degrees Fahrenheit and 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So the recommended temperature range, I'll abbreviate there, temp range, is from negative 9.4 to 5, and those are degrees Fahrenheit.